I like this. This is different because is it still ported, right. But it has like a little, I guess, a loading wall in a sense. Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
There, you know, Jesus Christ.
Yeah, it'll move yours, yeah. Wow. I like this. This is different because is it still ported, right. But it has like a little, I guess, a loading wall in a sense.
I designed it to originally be facing forward, so when I have the hard top off, I wouldn't lose all my bass. And then when I put it on, I didn't like the way it sounded. I turned it this way, and it just sounded 100 times better.
Very nice. I like it. So these are the
X series.
The X series, 6.5s.
Yep.
Wow, 6.5-inch sub. Very nice. How much space is this box? Do you know?
I don't remember. I built it 2 years ago, so I kind of forgot.
And these are
32 hertz, 3-inch ports.
3-inch ports.
I should have went 4-inch, but we're past that.
What tuning was it?
Sorry?
What tuning?
32.
32. Okay. I like it. And you're able to take your top off.
Yeah, the top box comes off completely. Everything.
Wow. And you've done a lot of dynamat work. Wow. Yeah. Nice.
The whole bottom, the whole top.
How does your sound change when you take your top off on the bass?
Bass is pretty much non-existent.
Non-existent.
Outside, it sounds great.
It does. Yeah.
Everyone can enjoy the bass outside.
Yeah.
But you don't really hear it.
Yes, sir. Awesome. Yeah, man, I would love it.
It's hard to do it cheap, you know. This thing's not really built for sound.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I would love to hear it, man. And your amps? Yep, there we go.
C2 audio, 1.6, wired to 1.6 ohms, push about 1600 watts, and a Crescendo Synphany S6 running Subwoofers mids and highs.
Subwoofers, all right. Nice.
Pull that little foam thing out, keep the door shut.
All right.
Keep the doors don't stay open.
Yes, sir.
All right, turn this down, now we can hear mine.
Very unique build. This is one of them eye-openers that you wouldn't expect to see in a system like this in a vehicle.
That's why I went with the 6.5. I originally had a Nissan Frontier and it had 4 of the subs underneath the back seat. Then I bought this. I had the 4 subs. I entered the show last year. And then when I left the show, I told the wife 4 more going in this way. 4 more. That's all kind of upgrades. So when I leave here today, who knows what's going to happen?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
But everyone's always impressed with the 6.5. That's why I went that way.
Yes, sir. I like it, man. What's going on, everyone? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around. We got a Vinny's Jeep. Really impressive, unique system with the 6.5-inch subwoofers. Definitely a pretty impressive demo that you're about to get to see. Be sure to give him a like as well as comment and let him know what you think about his system. Definitely excited to show y'all how it sounds and how much flex this thing was doing in a Jeep. And he also was saying he can remove the top panel and still play the system, and it sounds really good from the outside. So shout out to you, Vinny. Quick thing, I really like the way the bracing is of the box. It's definitely a unique style box. It is just a standard ported box. It may look almost like a past style subwoofer box, but I'm pretty sure it's just a ported box with a top baffle to protect the subs. So really nice job. Also in the back of the box, he has his amplifier. I'm pretty sure he said it was a 1600 watt RMS amplifier. I didn't get the impedance on it, but I'm going to guess it was right at 1 ohm. And lastly, the dual 3-inch arrow ports on the back of the box. I really like the style of it. It gets the job done, and it has a low tuning response on it. So I'm going to get some subwoofer flex action in the video as well you can enjoy. So this was at the 2022 show in Jacksonville, Florida. It was at the annual summer showcase. So it was definitely a really good turnout. We had over 60 systems I got to get recorded, and I'm finally getting to uploading. Majority of them already posted, but this one I got to finally get to. So shout out to everybody watching. Stay tuned for more daily cardio videos, and let's go ahead and get to this bass demo. Nice. I like it, man. Did you do most of the install yourself? Everything, okay. you could do a little sub like that and get good clean output in a Jeep. So it's very unique build. This is one of them eye openers that you wouldn't expect to see in a system like this in a vehicle.
That's why I went with the 6.5. I originally had a Nissan Frontier and it had 4 of the subs underneath the back seat. Then I bought this. I had the 4 subs. I entered the show last year, and then when I left the show, I told the wife 4 more going in this thing. 4 more. That's all kind of upgrades. So when I leave here today, who knows what's going to happen?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
But everyone's always impressed with the 6.5. That's why I went that way.
Yes, sir. I like it, man. Is there any way I could do a low volume flex on the subs with the back open?
Yeah.
Just so I could kind of see a little bit of sub movement. If that's okay?
Yeah.
I appreciate it, man. Yes, sir, you're welcome. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Xplicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.